Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're looking at dividend investing. I'm going to buy another dividend stock. I'm adding $100 to my dividend paying portfolio for passive income. So these are the stocks that I'm looking at for dividends. Let me know what you guys think about these. Let me see what you guys recommend. Do you recommend any of these stocks? Or are you guys new? Let me know that too. Let me know where I can focus. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go with a REIT. So REITs pay consistent income. They're really good for that. And you can see it's been fluctuating, but it was up at a high of 56 NNN. Now it took a dive, and then it's recovering. So it does pay currently 4.5% yield. So that's pretty good. So on $100, I'll make $4.50 a year. So over time, that will compound and will make money. So you can see here, the earnings were super high, and they declined, and then they're recovering. So this is a good sign. This is a good sign for real estate. Here's a little bit about NNN. National Retail Properties, Inc. is a real estate investment trust, which engages in investing properties subject to long-term net leases. It acquires, owns, invests in, and develops properties that are leased to retail tenants under long-term net leases and held for investment. The company was founded on August 8, 1984, and headquartered in Orlando, Florida. So NNN, National Retail Properties. So they pay a consistent premium. You can see the employees are low. They try to keep overhead down, and they try to pay out a lot of their money they make in dividends. All right, so today we're going to be trading some of that. I'm going to go trade, buy $100. Okay, you can see there, 2.18 shares about. We're doing a market. I know sometimes market's not the best, but it's easiest. You saw how easy that was, right? So I'm not doing consistent portfolio building on this one. All right, let's go back now. You can see this is my stocks of interest, future interest. So I'm going to remove this from my interest list because now it moves up to my holdings list. So this is all the stocks that I'm interested in looking at. And this now it's here on my stocks I own. So I could be building positions in these over time, but I chose to add a new one and get some exposure to the REIT. Now, if you saw my last video, go back and check that out on Fundrise. That's a pretty good REIT too. It's a little different structure, but this is a stock market REIT. So there is fees associated with it, but it's pretty much invisible. They kind of skim it off the top. So we can talk about that in the video, how that works exactly. Anyway, let me know if you're interested in that, and we can talk about that some more. But for today, that's my $100 investment. Like I said before, if you invest $100 every month for 40 years, you can become a millionaire if it compounds interest as it should. So, all right, guys, go check out my other videos on compounding interest and REITs, and let me know what you think. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for future updates on dividend investing, cryptocurrency, and wealth building. All right, guys, thanks for watching.